Hello, everyone. My name's Logan O'Brien. I am a master's student at San Jose University, and I found this galaxy on the top left while I was just going through a catalog of galaxies trying to find ultra diffuse galaxies with globular clusters. And as we've seen in these talks, they're pretty hard to see with the naked eye. So we can see it better on the bottom left from a Subaru image. We can actually see the defined structure. So why was I doing this? Well, globular clusters formed way back in a galaxy's early history, back when it was just a pretty much dark matter halo. And so we can sort of make the correlation that a larger dark matter halo is going to give more of these globular clusters, or bigger and brighter ones. So we can see these two bright, what we hope are globular clusters in this galaxy. And this middle plot was me just trying to verify that they are globular clusters. So I plotted their magnitude and versus their G minus I color, along with other known GCs in the 1407 group. And one of them falls well within the group. One of them is sort of off to the edge, so we might have to go back and see what that's all about. But assuming they are globular clusters, we can then plot them on this right plot here, which is plotting the total luminosity of the globular clusters versus the luminosity of the host galaxy. And these diagonal lines are lines of constant um, luminosity ratio. So the green star there is my galaxy that I've seen. The red star is another galaxy, NGC. I can't really read the number, but it's another galaxy in the literature from the 2022 paper. And these both fall on the 13% line. So 13% of these galaxies' luminosity comes from the globular clusters. Um, you may think, well, what's the big deal? There's tons of points along that 13 and even above. Those other points are the coma cluster, which is so far away that they're too dim to really study and get reasonable data from. So these other galaxies are close enough that we can actually find some good properties about them and study how they evolve and form. So we want to see more of these closer ones so we can study that. And the last point I want to make is this 20% line at the top. I just added that a few hours ago. I just found out this morning that someone found one of these galaxies with 20% luminosity from the GCs. So it's really great that we can find more of these galaxies to study them. So my poster's right over here towards the end, so feel free to come by and ask questions.